back to Lake Math. Today we're going to talk about parallel and perpendicular. So if your slope is parallel, this is how the math people write it, because writing words is just too long. You got two lines, a little line there. That means your slope is equal. So if you got two lines and they're parallel, they both have the same slope. Now if it's perpendicular, this is the symbol for that, just one line crossing that. It means they cross at a 90-degree angle. So for that, it's really easy. All we're going to do is flip the fraction and flip the sign. This is super easy. Basically, you just need to know that's the trick. So, for example, if I have a line and it's got a slope of 1/2, for me to get the perpendicular slope, I'm going to flip the fraction and flip the sign. So I just put the 2 on top. This was positive, now it's negative. That's also just the same as -2 because dividing by 1 doesn't change anything. And another example, I'm just going to flip the fraction, flip the sign. So 4/3, and now it's positive. It's really all there is to parallel and perpendicular. It's not super hard. It is very easy.